Engineer Boy 100. Today's video is how to change the vacuum valve on a 1999 Mercedes SLK230. The first thing you have to do to change the valve, you have to know where it is. So I'll show you that right now. Right under this little cover, and all you do is kind of tilt it and take it right off. This is the valve right here, and we'll change it right now. The reason I'm changing this vacuum valve in this particular case is I failed smog due to an error code P1525, ABV vacuum solenoid circuit fault. So I'm going to change the valve and see if the code goes away. If not, then I'll have to do an extensive search for a vacuum leak. So let's change the valve. Okay, so changing the valve consists of removing 3 vacuum lines, one here, here, and here. You take those off for the old one and you're going to put them in the same location on the new. And then there are 2 bolts holding, mounting it to the head, one on the top here, and there's one in the same orientation on the bottom that you can't see. You take those loose, and then you have one electrical connector here, and you can remove the vacuum valve. So that's what you'll be seeing me do next. These 2 bolts right here, we'll be taking them off with this, an E8 female torque socket, and we'll put it on the new with the same bolts. Once the old is removed, you can replace it with the new in the reverse order. All done. Once the new vacuum valve is installed, replace your cover, clear your codes, and take it for a drive. Thank you for watching.